Summer impacts on our body in a unique ways, and food choices during the season can help balance internally with the heat, hydration, and energy levels. Hi, I'm Shruti Medappa. I'm a clinical dietitian and a meditation coach. So let's understand what exactly happens during the summer and what are the impacts on us. It impacts directly on the increase of the heat internally and increases the metabolism. The digestive fire tends to weaken. Dehydration and the fatigues are quite common, and the immunity can dip down due to the excess sweating and loss of the vital fluids. Today, we are going to understand the best foods for summer and 5 refreshing drinks for summer. So the best foods like coconut water, tender coconut kernels, which acts as a natural electrolyte to replenish and to cool our body, and mint, coriander, fennel, all these combined, which acts as a natural heat pacifier, bottle gourd and rich gourd, which helps to ease the digestion and acts as a coolant as well. Ash gourd, which detoxifies and acts as an anti-inflammatory food. The yellow dal or the moong dal, which is very light and easily digestible and enhanced with protein as well. Include barley, which is quite light grain, which is good for heat balance. Now, foods to avoid. Avoid excess spicy foods, salty foods, junk foods, fried stuffs, hard for the digestion. Avoid excess tea or a coffee, which acts as a diuretic and it produces excess heat. And limit the intake of red meat because it's quite hard for the digestion during summer. Now, top 5 refreshing drinks for summer include amla juice with a combination of honey, include mint and lemon juice, fennel infused water, cumin and coriander seed water, wood apple juice for digestion and acting as a coolant. And include lukewarm water regularly and avoid ice cold drinks. Avoid cold or even processed and leftover foods. Eat seasonal and freshly cooked meats as much as possible. Thank you.